I'm going to make carrot cake. I've got 3 cups here. I might decrease it to about 2. I have about a half a cup of golden raisins, a lot of warm spices. Oh, I just love the smell of this. So I have nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger. What else do I have? I'm looking on my little note, my little cheat sheet, I guess you could call it. So yeah, I have ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon. And then I've got some buttermilk here if I didn't leave that out long enough. Prepping everything. 2.5 cups of flour. I have 2 teaspoons of baking soda, half a cup of butter, a half a cup of oil right here, 3 eggs. You can do 2 cups of sugar, I believe. So from my little kitchen to yours, I hope you give this carrot cake a try. Let me know your thoughts.